Hello students, good evening. Am I audible in the last? Fine. Online students, am I audible? Fine. I already informed you on the Telegram, like yesterday I have taken a topic pieces to cut. I will repeat it on Saturday. Okay. For the first and last time. Again and again, for this mentorship sessions or some extra classes, we will not provide you recording. If someone will ask, then we will not take the classes also. ठीक है, फिर हम classes ही नहीं लेंगे. Saturday को 5 to 7, 5 to 6, I will take doubt of the test. Any one of you still miss the test? All of you given the test? इनको क्लास के बाद दे देना, लेकिन कैसे सबमिट करेंगे OMR? कल क्या हो गया? फ्राइडे. टुमारो यू कम 3 o'clock, 3 to 4. कल फिर 5 बजे टेस्ट फाइनल कर देते हैं. ऑफलाइन स्टूडेंट्स स्टिल नॉट गिवन द टेस्ट. टुमारो you come at 3 o'clock. We will give you 1 hour time slot. You give the test here. Online student, any one of you not given the test? तो अभी तो है उस पे पोर्टल पे, है ना? After this class, you can give the test till 12 tomorrow, 12 noon, not 12 night. कल दोपहर के 12 बजे पोर्टल पे आपका टेस्ट अवेलेबल है. आपकी लाइन खुली है 12 बजे तक केबीसी की, उसके बाद बंद हो जाएंगी. तब तक आप ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट, इफ यू मिस द टेस्ट तो यू कैन गिव ऑन द पोर्टल. फाइन. Saturday 5 to 6 I will take doubt of the test. 6 to 7 I will repeat the topic which I have taken yesterday. Again and again it will be on Zoom. Don't request us to take extra classes or mentorship session on portal. We will not take. ठीक है? If you will ask for recording, if you ask for other thing, then we will not take pain to conduct this mentorship session. ठीक है? चलो. So today we will start our reasoning topic. Number series, alphabetical series, coding decoding, character puzzle, sentence coding. They give the sentence same like coding decoding, continuous series. See here, these are the topic. I will say these are evergreen topic as far as CSAT is concerned. From 2011 to 2024, every year, like I will say the weightage of this topic, 3 questions. Even in 2023 also, which considered to be the difficult CSAT paper, तो उस साल भी 3 से 4 क्वेश्चन थे. 2022 also, 2024 also, 2011. So on an average, weightage of this topic we have 3 questions. Okay. But here problem with this topic is, if you ask me, sir, give 10-12 formula and we will fit formula and we get answers, sorry for that. Because for this topic we don't have a approach where formula will help. Because what examiner will do, examiner will make some pattern, will make a question based on a pattern and we have to crack that pattern. and exactly what pattern can be asked, we have to crack it. Okay, there can be 1,000 different questions we can frame. So instead of formula, what will help you here? Heat and trial approach. Okay, heat and trial approach. In Hindi, this heat and trial approach called तुक्के बिड़ाने हैं. जिसका भी तुक्का बिड़ गया, you get 2.5 marks. ठीक है, we have to do heat and trial. Or what we will do here for this topic, we will do brainstorming. We have to think about the pattern. Okay, we will do brainstorming, and even in some of the question you will feel storm in your brain also. ठीक है, दिमाग की नसें भी फटेंगी कुछ कुछ क्वेश्चन. Let us discuss, then you will realize. And I tell you one more idea, reverse engineering बोलो या reverse approach. By reverse approach in this topic, what I mean, don't think like student, think like an examiner. Because when we think like student, we have limited pattern in our mind. But if you behave like examiner or you think like examiner, like if you have to ask question to your friend, you will have better pattern in your mind, and examiner is also same human being. हमें ये सोचना है कि like examiner can make what type of question. If you have to ask a question, what type of question you will ask your friend. Same examiner like having the same approach. Okay. So now what I will do, starting 5-7 minutes, I just take easy pattern. Like what we will have like warm up exercise. Then I will start CSAT level question. Yes, doubt session test भी तो extra feature था वो. तो उसका doubt session भी Zoom पे ही रहेगा. Fine. My first question to you, 3, 5, 7 question mark. So what will come after 7? 9. Because we think it's like a odd series, odd number. 3 odd number, 5 odd number, 7 odd number. After 7, next odd number is 9. But here the moment I add 2 here, tell me what is your answer. If I add 2, then 9 cannot be your answer. Why? Because here 2 is not odd number. So what is this series? Prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7. After 7, what is the next prime number? 11. So here I tell you, as an examiner, what we do when we frame question, most of the time we use mathematics concept only to make question. तो आपकी जो like questions है, they will be around the mathematics concept. So first thing is just have this thing in your mind. Examiner can use prime number to make a question. And the like last year's PYQ, if you check, nearly 2 to 3 question they have used prime number concept. But believe me, no one will ask this laddu question. 2, 3, 5, 7. What is the next? See here, if there is a question where 100% student will able to solve that question, examiner they don't prefer. Even like, will you ask this question to your friend? Your friend will say have some standard. So same for the examiner. The examiner want like some difficulty level in the question so that it take at least 30 seconds, 1 minute, 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes, 3 minutes, depend on the difficulty level of the question to crack that pattern. They will not ask very easy question. So for prime number, generally they use prime number between 50 and 100. 50 से 100 के बीच के. In my very first class, like here when I have discussed prime number, I think in basic classes, I have given a list of prime number. 1 to 100, there are 25 prime number. I have given the list. I think all of you remember that 25 prime number because that will help you to solve these questions also. Like for example, if I ask you a question, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, question mark. What is your answer? 79, because you can see this series is like all these are prime number. After 73, next number is 79, which is prime number. So it is a prime number series. In 2023, they have asked question on this prime number concept. Choose the group which is different from the others. I give you answer option 17, 37, 47, 97, 31, 41, 53, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83. Answer option D is 83, 89, 91, 97. So they asked choose the group which is different from the other. What is your answer here? D. Why? Because here this 91 here is composite number. You can check all these are prime number. All these are prime number. Prime number. Only in the D group there is one term which is not prime number, which is composite number 91. So here this is answer D. Fine. Now next. My next question to you, 9, 25, 49. Tell me what will the next term? चलो रुकते हैं 64 का बता दो क्या लॉजिक है. Those who are getting 64 as an answer, tell me what is the logic behind that 64. See here, don't be in hurry. Don't be in hurry because this is very easy question. So इसमें 64, it is 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. So here examiner can use odd number square series. Even number square, odd number square can be used. If you think it is odd number square series, yes, we will not deny that 9 square 81 is one of the correct answer. 81 है क्योंकि अब भी कुछ प्राइम नंबर कह नहीं सकते because it is odd number square series 3 square 5 square 7 square, so 9 square is correct. We can say 81. But if I ask 4 here, then you cannot say 9 square 81. Now tell me what is your answer. Okay, see here what is 4? 2 square, this is 3 square, this is 5 square, this is 7 square. These are prime number square. So the second concept here is you keep this in your mind. Examiner can use odd number square, even number square, prime number square also. Prime number का square भी use किया जा सकता है. Prime number square can also be used. 2 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. So next will be 11 square. What is 11 square? 121. Okay, online students. Next question. 3, 5, 8, 13, 20, 31, question mark. Category 1 student, what I have to do in class, I have to discuss nearly 20 questions. Okay, generally I give 1.5 minute time or 1 minute in class. In exam you will get 2.5 minutes. मुझे थोड़ा सा टाइम कम देना पड़ता है. If you are able to solve, okay. If you are not able to solve, don't worry. At least you will have pattern in your mind. आपके mind में pattern तो बनेंगे for the future reference. What is your answer? 44. See here, See the difference. Here difference is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So here this difference make a pattern of prime number. After 11, what is the next prime number? 13. So 31 plus 13, your answer is 44. Because 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 7 is 20. So 31 plus 13, 44. Prime number difference can be used. जो आपकी सीरीज होगी ना, उसका डिफरेंस प्राइम नंबर का एक पैटर्न बना रहा है. प्राइम नंबर डिफरेंस. So I repeat, prime number square, prime number difference. Next is, in mathematics we have 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. And I tell you, nearly 50% question we use this pattern. कहीं ना कहीं हर 2 क्वेश्चन में से एक क्वेश्चन में like we are using addition, we are using subtraction, we are using multiplication, or we are using division. I tell you multiplication. Very simple question. Like for example, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. So you can say directly multiplication is multiply with 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. 16 into 2, 32. 32 into 2, 64. 64 into 2, 128. But it is very easy. Direct multiplication into 2 into 2 into 2. But multiplication can also be used. Let us practice 2 questions so that you can try. Like my question to here, 1, 2, 6, 24, 120, 720, question mark. Thank you. What is your answer? 5040. Can we see here? First term is multiply with 2. Okay. Some student, what they do? They write answer 1440. उनको लग रहा है multiply with 2, here also 2. You have to check complete pattern. Don't be in hurry to conclude. पहले पूरा pattern check करो. It is multiply by 3 because 2 into 3 6. 6 into 4 24. 24 into 5 120. 120 into 6 720. So next is into 7. Okay. So here this 720 into 7 is 5040. Right? क्या आंसर आएगा तुम्हारा? My next question to you: 4, 12, 60, 420, 3780, question mark. What is your answer? Fine. So here it is multiply by 3. Next is multiply with 5, 7, 9. So it means it is a pattern multiplication with odd number. After 9, what is the next odd number? 11. So our answer is 3780 into 11. I tell you how I calculate fast. If I have to multiply with 11, I break it as 10 plus 1. Because when you multiply with 10, it becomes 37,800. When you multiply it with 1, 3780, then I add, break and add. So you get 0, you get 8, you get 5. Here 41580 is our correct answer. What is the pattern here? Multiply by 3, multiply by 5, 7, 9, 11. Now division, I take one question for division pattern. 720. Next term is 360, 120, 36, question mark. हाँ जी, लास्ट रो आपने भी बराबर ही पैसे दिए, तो यू कैन ऑल्सो पार्टिसिपेट. ये टीवी के पीछे वाले लोग, व्हाट इज योर आंसर? किसी का 3 भी आ रहा है? 3. So now here it is divided by 2, then divided by 3, divided by 4, divided by 5. So it will be divided by 6. 6 divided by 6. Our answer is 1. Addition. How addition work? Like if series is 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19, 22. Plus 3, plus 3. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. Plus 3, plus 3. We know no one will ask this question because it is very simple, plus 3, plus 3. But let us practice 3, 4 question where we will see how come we have variation with addition. I will discuss 3, 4 question where we try pattern of addition. Three, 6, 10, question mark, 21, 28. After this question, I will start with CSAT level question. फिर इसके बाद हम थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्टी लेवल बढ़ाएंगे. So now here it is plus 3, plus 4. Here it is plus 5. We try, फिट भी बैठ सकता है, plus 6, plus 7. यहाँ तो ठीक लग रहा है. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. Perfect. So our answer here is 15. Now, okay. चलो. Any doubt? Fine. 6, 7, 10, 16, question mark, 41. Same pattern has been asked in other exam. Very, very important for number series question. Can be asked anytime. एक मिनट. हाँ मतलब ये आंसर ऑप्शन नहीं है, ये वो गलत आंसर ऑप्शन जो क्लास से मिले हैं. 27 कुछ भी हो सकता है आंसर. कीप ट्राइंग. ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स कर सकते हो, नो इश्यू. Answers for a multiplication division, you go left to right to left, doesn't matter. If it is a series like this, if it click to you right to left तो भी कर सकते हो, कोई इशू नहीं. Okay, now here some student what they do, they think like this is 1 3 6 9 and they get answer 25. चलो क्रॉस चेक तो कर लो, आगे 12 होना था. अगर 25 है, 25 + 12 37, यहाँ गलत हो गया. So here 25 is wrong answer. Yes. I give you two methods. This is one of the favorite question based on a trail of natural number. I tell you. If you find any question having a difference 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. So it's like 1. What is 1 + 2? 3. What is 1 + 2 + 3? 6. What is 1 + 2 + 3 + 4? 10. What is 1 + 2 + 3 + 4 + 5? 15. And in one of the class, I already asked you to remember this. So here, what is important for this question? Pattern is used. It is +1. Next time we will do +1 + 2. Next time we will do +1 + 2 + 3. 6 + 1 7, 7 + 3 10, 10 + 6 16. So based on this pattern, next time we will do +1 + 2 + 3 + 4, which is 10. 16 + 10 is 26. Then you can cross check +1 + 2 + 3 + 4 + 5 15, 26 + 15 41. Do you remember, if you get a series where your difference is on the line 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, it is a pattern +1, +1 + 2, +1 + 2 + 3, +1 + 2 + 3 + 4, and so on. This is one of the favorite pattern. If your series have a difference 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28, this is the pattern. 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28. If in exam, it is like you are not able to solve this question based on this pattern, if it will not click to you, like this is 1, 1 + 2, 1 + 2 + 3. Then what we'll do, take the difference here 1, 3, 6. Then you take next level difference. Here we get 2, here we get 3. Difference of difference. See here, examiner can ask you any question, but there will be sequence. ऐसे कोई random नहीं पूछा जाता, there has to be sequence. So if it is 2 3, you try 4. 1 plus 2 give you 3, 3 plus 3 give you 6, तो 6 plus 4 give 10, तो यहाँ आना चाहिए 10. तो our answer is 16 plus 10 26. You can check the next, it should be plus 5. तो 10 plus 5 15, तो 26 plus 15 40. So if you are not clear at level 1, you can take next level difference. It is called level 1 difference, this is called level 2 difference. 1 3 6 पे ना सॉल्व करके उसके आगे चले जाओ. The difference of 1 and 3 2, 3 and 6 3, so you can try this. You get your answer. Fine. Try one more question. 51, 50, 47, 41, 31, question mark. Done. What is your answer? It is for subtraction. भाई जो एडिशन के लिए था वो सब्ट्रैक्शन में भी काम कर सकता है. See here, this is -1, next is -1 -2, 50 minus 3 give 47, next is -1 -2 -3. What is 47 minus 6? 41. Next is -1 -2 -3 -4. 41 minus 10 31. So next is -1 -2 -3 -4 -5. 31 minus 15 is 60. -1 -1 -2 -1 -2 -3. Okay. See, the point here is when I use only addition or I use only subtraction, question are relatively easier to handle. So what examiner they do, they use combination. You put heading combination. Combination means two operation at a time. In the same question, you find multiplication is also used, addition is also used. मतलब सेम क्वेश्चन में दो ऑपरेशन मिल जाएंगे आपको. Let me discuss 3-4 example so that you will be comfortable. My question to you here, 7, 15, 31, 63, 127, 255, question mark. 7, 15, 31, 63, 127, 255, question. अच्छा, category 3 student, it's very easy for you. Once you get answer, try to do brainstorming to get the answer with different method. Same answer, I will discuss 3 method. मैं आपसे 3 method discuss करूंगा. तो you do brainstorming. It is not difficult question, but try to do brainstorming to solve the same question with different method. आप कितने different method से इस question को solve कर सकते हैं वो आपने सोचना है. See, answer will be this, but try to get the same answer with 3 different method. अगर आप एक मेथड से सोल्व कर पाए, अब दूसरा मेथड सोचो, फिर कोई और मेथड ट्राई करके देखो कि कैसे इसका आंसर 511 आ रहा है डिफरेंट मेथड से. and still if you any one of you not getting 511 as an answer, in morning 5 almond with cow milk. Fine. So what is your answer? 511. First method which I have used to make this question is into 2 plus 1. Multiplication plus addition. 7 into 2 14 plus 1 15. 15 into 2 30 plus 1 31. 31 into 2 62 plus 1 63. Then 63 into 2 126 plus 1 127. Then 127 into 2 plus 1 255. So next here is 255 into 2 plus 1 510 plus 1 511. So this is also one of the way combination, multiplication plus addition. Fine. This is method number 1. Tell me method number 2. Difference. Some of you have solved this question by taking the difference. Difference here, like if you check, difference here is 8. Difference here is 16. Difference here is 32. Difference here is 64. Difference here is 128. Every time difference is getting double. 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. After that it will be 256. So our answer is 255 plus 256. We get answer 511. This is second method. Can anyone tell me third method? ये तो यही तो है. हाँ जी. 2 cube minus 1, 2 is to power 4 minus 1. I tell you, can you see this series like it is 8 minus 1, this is 16 minus 1, this is 32 minus 1, this is 64 minus 1, this is 128 minus 1, 256 minus 1. So it's like 2 cube minus 1. It is 2 is to power 4 minus 1, 2 is to power 5 minus 1, 2 is to power 6 minus 1, 2 is to power 7 minus 1, 2 is to power 8 minus 1. What examiner has used actually 2 is to power n minus 1. So based on this pattern, what will be our next term? 2 is to power 9 minus 1, which is 512 minus 1, 511. Why? Because if I ask a question on 2 is to power n, just imagine if you ask question to your friend 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256. Your friend will say have some standard. 512 is the answer. It is very simple. So what you will do, rather than asking 2 is to power n, you will ask 2 is to power n plus 1. कुछ तो दिमाग लगे. 2 is to power n minus 1. Same here, examiner, rather than asking directly 2 is to power, they do 2 is to power minus 1 or 2 is to power plus 1. So that कुछ तो time लगे. At least there is some difficulty level in the question. So here 2 is to power n minus 1 or 2 is to power n plus 1. अब मैंने ये डिस्कस किया, क्या पता एग्जामिनर ये पूछ ले. In your CSAT paper you get a question based on this pattern. You get a series where 2 is to power n plus 1 is used. Similarly, like I ask you one more question. 2, 8, 26, 80, 242, question mark. Here also you can solve this question with 3 methods. Ratan, any question you can see a continuous series और alternate series. तो alternate वाला कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. हर क्वेश्चन में अगर वो एक सीरीज है तो पहली, तीसरी और पांचवी टर्म में कुछ पैटर्न मिलेगा. I give you 3 methods. Method 1 is combination. 2 into 3 6 plus 2 8. 8 into 3 24 plus 2 26. 26 into 3 plus 2 is 80. 80 into 3 plus 2 give me 242. So similarly 242 into 3 plus 2 give me 728. Into 3 plus 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 plus 2. Combination. All of you. Second method here for the same question is difference. Can you see difference here is 6, 18, 54, 162. Every time difference is thrice, 3 multiple, 6, 18, 54. So next time it will be 3 multiple, which is 486. You add, you get 728 difference. But my concern here for this question is, can you see this series as 3 is to power n minus 1? Some of you are not able to see this series like 3 is to power n minus 1 because you have not remembered 3 is to power. आपको ये रटना पड़ेगा. 3 is to power 1 is 3, 3 square is 9, 3 cube is 27, 3 is to power 4 is 81, 3 is to power 5 is 243, 3 is to power 6 is 729. 2 is to power 1 to 2 is to power 12. अगर मैंने 10 तक बोला तो 12 तक रट लो. 2 is to power 1 to 2 is to power 12 has to be on your tips. This is your homework. 3 is to power 1 to 3 is to power 7. It has to be on your tips. You should know 729 is 3 is to power 6. 243 is 3 is to power 5. 81 is 3 is to power 4. 27 you know, that is 3 cube. 9 is 3 square. So we will see this question is nothing. This series you can decode like 3 minus 1, 9 minus 1, 27 minus 1, 81 minus 1, 243 minus 1. So it is 3 is to power 1 minus 1, 3 square minus 1, 3 cube minus 1, 3 is to power 4 minus 1, 3 is to power 5 minus 1, 3 is to power 6 minus 1, which is 729 minus 1, 728. Because no one will ask 3 is to power n. Examiner might ask you 3 is to power n plus 1 or might ask you 3 is to power n minus 1. ये समझ में आ गया? What is the difference here? 2 plus 6 give you 18. What is the difference in 26 and 8? 18. What is the difference here? 80 minus 26. What is 80 minus 26? 54. If you check here 162, इसमें क्या रिलेशन है? इंटू 3, इसमें क्या रिलेशन है? इंटू 3 इंटू 3, तो अगला क्या होगा? इंटू 3. डिफरेंस एवरी टाइम इज 3 मल्टीपल. जो इनका सीरीज का डिफरेंस है वो 3 गुना होता जा रहा है. ओके फाइन. So idea is 2 is to power n is easy, but 2 is to power n plus 1 or 2 is to power n minus 1 is bit time consuming. 3 is to power n is easy, but 3 is to power n minus 1 or 3 is to power n minus 1 can be asked. Now next question. Generally 5% student, they are able to crack this question in 2 minutes. ठीक है, एंड इट इज जस्ट ए मैटर ऑफ क्लिक. किसी को भी क्लिक कर सकता है, इवन कैटेगरी 1 स्टूडेंट, कैटेगरी 2, कैटेगरी 3. इफ यू आर गुड इन एडिशन मल्टीप्लीकेशन, यस चांसेस आर हाई दैट यू कैन सॉल्व इट, बट ट्राई. देखते हैं कौन कौन सॉल्व कर पाएगा. ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट यू कैन ऑल्सो पार्टिसिपेट. 2, 3, 8, 27, 112 question mark. 2, 3, 8, 27, 112 question mark. Okay. How many of you get 565? Good number. See here, correct answer 565. I tell you the pattern. 2 into 1 plus 1. Then 3 into 2, 6 plus 2, 8. The next is 8 into 3, 24 plus 3, 27. The next here is 27 into 4 plus 4, 112. See, examiner can ask any question. That is the fundamental right of examiner. But there is a fundamental duty also. उसको right तो है, but examiner की duty क्या है कि उसको एक sequence पूछना पड़ेगा. Examiner cannot ask any random thing, can ask any question, but has to follow the sequence. तो अभी sequence क्या है? Into 1 plus 1, into 2 plus 2, into 3 plus 3, into 4 plus 4. Next will be into 5 plus 5. So our answer is 112 into 5 plus 5. It is 560 plus 5 is 565. is our answer. क्यों दे रहे हो?
2 into 4, 8 हो जाएगा फिर सर, 3 into 9 या 26 हो जाएगा, फिर 8 into 14 और 112 हो जाएगा, फिर 27 into 19 हो जाएगा, 6 8
See here, let us learn on combination. Last question 7, 15, 31, 63, 127. 90% student can solve that question. Because the pattern is into 2 plus 1, into 2 plus 1, into 2 plus 1, into 2 plus 1, into 2 plus 1. It is very easy. Why? Because multiplication and addition both are same. See, as an examiner, we know how to increase the difficulty level. अगर मुझे easy question बनाना है, I will keep multiplication addition same. Question will be relatively easier. But it is not fixed. Next time what I can do, I may change multiplication. मैं ये भी कर सकता हूं, into 3 plus 1, into 3 plus 2, into 3 plus 3, into 3 plus 4, into 3 plus 5. So what you have to do, you have to think on this line. Maybe both factor are constant. Maybe multiplication is same, addition is changing, or maybe into 2 plus 1, into 3 plus 1, into 4 plus 1, into 5 plus 1, into 6 plus 1. But if further I have to ask difficult question, I change both the pattern. Multiplication also, addition also. You keep your mind open for combination question because nearly 30% question or 1/3 question we have on combination. Combination में दोनों same भी हो सकते हैं. Maybe multiplication is same, maybe addition is same, or maybe both are changing. If I have to ask difficult question, I prefer this. Okay, let us try one more question. 4, 13, 41, 126, 382 question mark. Now correct answer is 1151. Pattern uses 4 into 3 12 plus 1 30. Then 13 into 3 39 plus 2 41. Then 41 into 3 123 plus 1 126. 123 plus 3. Then 126 into 3 plus 4 382. 382 into 3 plus 5. So it is 1151. If you use the same pattern but you are getting other than 1151, means you have done some calculation mistake. Okay. After this combination, next is square. So we use square also to make pattern. n square. Like here question is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49. What will be after 49? 64. And we know that no one will ask this easy question. Will you ask this question to your friend? No. Same here, examiner will not ask a plain n square series. Examiner makes some changes. N square plus 1, n square minus 1, n square plus 2, n square minus 2, n square plus n square minus n. कुछ ना कुछ चेंज मिलेगा. Like here, let us practice 3-4 questions. My first question to you: 2, 5, 10, 17, 26, 37, 50, question mark. Done? I give you two methods. First is you can decode this series like 1 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 16 plus 1, 25 plus 1, 36 plus 1, 49 plus 1. So it's like n square plus 1. So it is 1 square plus 1, 2 square plus 1, 3 square plus 1, 4 square plus 1, 5 square plus 1, 6 square plus 1, 7 square plus 1. So next has to be 8 square plus 1, 64 plus 1. So your answer is 65. N square plus 1. But I tell you, if examiner asks you n square or n cube series, see here, it means examiner is asking moderate question, not difficult. Because in a n square and n cube, we have always alternate method. And that alternate method is difference. You can take the difference here. What is the difference here? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 30. In a n square, n cube series, difference always work. Always. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. After 13, what is this difference? Odd number. After 13, what is the next odd number? 15. So what is our answer? 50 plus 15. So our answer is 65. Same answer. Fine. Next question. Five, 17, 37, 65, question mark. Done? What is your answer? 101. What you can do, you can decode this series like 4 plus 1, 16 plus 1, 36 plus 1, 64 plus 1. So it's like 2 square plus 1, 4 square plus 1, 6 square plus 1, 8 square plus 1. So next here is 10 square plus 1. It is 100 plus 1, 101. Or you can say it's like even number square plus 1. Examiner can use odd number square plus 1. इसमें सिर्फ even number square use है, not odd. Fine. Alternate method, difference. In the same question, we can use difference also. Is this clear? Even number square plus 1. Same question, 5, 17, 37, 65. Take the difference. What is the difference here? 12, 20, 28. If you are comfortable with this 12, 20, 28, okay. Otherwise, you can take next level difference, which is called level 2 difference. 8, 8. ऐसा तो होगा नहीं 8, 8, 9 हो जाएगा. Sequence. What sequence suggests you? If it is 8, 8, next also we try 8. How to use 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 8, 28, 28 plus 8, 36. We have to add. 5 plus 12 give you 17, 17 plus 20 give you 37, 37 plus 28 give you 65. So your answer is 65 plus 36, 101. So you can take difference also, that will also help you. Answer is 101. Now next question. 3, 10, 29, 66, 127, question mark. Those who are done, what is your answer? Okay. I give you two methods for this question. This is not a n square question. This is n cube series. N cube. Tell me, will you ask this question to your friend? 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. Your friend will say very easy, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube. Similarly, examiner will not ask easy question. What examiner will do? N cube plus 1, N cube minus 1, N cube plus 2, N cube minus 2. In front of you, I have asked a question N cube plus 2 and see the difficulty level. देख लो कितने लोग solve कर पाए. So this question is N cube plus 2. What is 3? 1 plus 2. 10 is 8 plus 2. 27 plus 2. 64 plus 2. 125 plus 2. So this is nothing. You can decode it as 1 cube plus 2. You can decode it as 2 cube plus 2. You can decode it as 3 cube plus 2. It's like 4 cube plus 2. This is 5 cube plus 2. So next will be 6 cube plus 2. So it is 216 plus 2 is 208. Remember n cube also. Okay, 1 cube से लेके 12 cube रट ले. So here in front of us there is a question n cube plus 2. Now I tell you what we have to do for this topic in examination. See here, there will be a question on number series. Chances are very, very high. Every year one question. In one of the year they ask two also. But one की मैं weightage लेके चल रहा हूँ. I'm taking the weightage of this topic is one question per year. You will see that question. So what you can do, we divide our solution in two parts. Solution in the sense कि how we will manage that question. First, 1 minute or 1.5 minute maximum, we will do heat and try. Don't take more than 1.5 minute. Heat and try, like you have to think fast, brainstorming. You think prime number is used, prime number square, prime number difference, odd square, even square, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, combination, square, cube, or maybe any other pattern. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ यही पैटर्न पूछेगा, मे बी एनी अदर पैटर्न कैन बी यूज, बट ओनली टेक 1.5 minute, not more than that. Okay, if you are able to crack this question in 1.5 minute with the help of heat and trial method, then it is wonderful, bonus mark 2.5. But if in case with this heat and trial method also you are not able to solve this question, then the second thing is we will use triangular pattern as a last resort. Triangular pattern as a last option, which require nearly 1.5 to 2 minutes. I tell you what is this triangular pattern. We will take the level 1 difference. Level 1 difference. What is level 1 difference here? 7, 19, 37, 61. I don't think we are able to crack this question at level 1. Then we take level 2 difference. This is level 2 difference. What is the difference here? 12, 18, 24. I think many of you got an idea कि कुछ तो बन रहा है. 12, 18, 24. If still you are not comfortable, we will take level 3 difference. This is 6 and 6. See here, there are the question we are able to crack at level 1. There are some question we are able to solve at level 2. At level 3, maybe at level 4. But before I take this method, let me tell you, triangular pattern is not Ramban, that it is applicable for 100% of the question. Triangular pattern will help you in 50% to 60% of the question. It is really good method, but it is not the only solution. If that is the case, then I would not have wasted your 1 hour 15 minutes. I would have concluded topic in 2 minutes. I would have told you only triangular pattern. There are the question where triangular pattern is also not applicable. तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि हम सिर्फ ट्रायंगुलर पैटर्न पे रिलाई कर सकते हैं, बट 50 to 60% क्वेश्चन, यस, ट्रायंगुलर पैटर्न इज एप्लीकेबल. And why it is called triangular pattern? If you see the next level difference, and you can see this figure, it is inverted triangle. एक ट्रायंगल बन रहा है ना, तो that's why I'm calling it as a triangular pattern. जब हम लास्ट तक जाएंगे, एक ट्रायंगल की शेप बन रही है. How to use it? Sequence. If it is 6 here, here also 6. You have to add 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 6, 24. 24 plus 6, 30. You have to add. So ये term आ गई 30. Then next is we will check this. 7 में 12 add किया तो 19. 19 plus 18 give you 37. 37 plus 24 give you 61. So 61 plus 30 give you 91. Here this. 3 में 7 add किया 10. 10 plus 19 29 plus 37 66 plus 61 127. So our correct answer is 127 plus 91, which is the same answer, 280. So in total, maximum you have to take 3.5 or maximum 4 minutes. I repeat, it's your choice. Some student, what they do, they prefer first they want to try triangular pattern. दो चीजें हैं, heat and trial and triangular pattern. It's your call कि first you want to try heat and trial, then triangular pattern, or first you want to try question with triangular pattern. If you are not able to solve, then heat and trial. But my point here is, even if with this triangular pattern you are not able to solve the question, then what we have to do? You have to skip the question. Don't take any question on your ego. Like I'm engineer, तो क्या उखाड़ लोगे भाई, ठीक है ना? I have to solve this question. If you are not able to solve question in 3 and 4 minutes, it is not harmful. What is more harmful, that if you spend 8 to 10 minutes on this question. These are very tempting question. इसमें ना हमेशा इंटरेस्ट बना रहता है, ऐसे लग रहा है आपको कोई ललकार रहा है, ठीक है? अगर नहीं सॉल्व किए तो बेइज्जती हो जाएगी टाइप. भाई अकेले में होगी, सामूहिक नहीं हो रही है. डोंट डिस्कस पेपर विद एनीवन आफ्टर द एग्जाम. इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू क्रैक द क्वेश्चन, डोंट डिस्कस. इफ आफ्टर द एग्जाम, आपको सिंपल रूल बताता हूं, यू हैव 2 एग्जाम इन योर प्रीलिम्स, जीएस एंड सीसेट. बिटवीन दैट जीएस एंड सीसेट पेपर, नेवर डिस्कस पेपर विद योर फ्रेंड. वो पूछे आजा जीएस डिस्कस करते हैं, कैसा हुआ है, क्योंकि आगे उसके चक्कर में योर सीसेट विल गेट स्पॉइल्ड. तो इफ योर फ्रेंड वांट टू डिस्कस कि कैसा रहा तेरा पेपर, तो बोलना चिल, लेट अस गिव सीसेट. एंड इवन आफ्टर द सीसेट पेपर आल्सो, इफ योर फ्रेंड आस्क कि चल आप पेपर डिस्कस करते हैं, उसको कहना चल बियर पीते हैं. पेपर डिस्कस ही नहीं करने का है, व्हाई टू टेक टेंशन, ठीक है? तो हियर, इफ इन एग्जाम, इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू सोल्व क्वेश्चन, दैट इज नॉट हार्मफुल. What is harmful? If you spend 8 to 10 minutes on a particular question. In the last 3 years, I have met n number of students, and they have missed the CSAT just because of their common problem is nearly 3 to 4 questions they got stuck, and they have given 8 minutes. In half an hour, they were able to solve only 4 or 5 questions, and they got panic. And after that, they are not able to solve even the easy question. Make it a rule for this number series question, maximum 4 minutes. These are very tempting. ये क्वेश्चन आपको बुलाएगा बट जाने का नहीं है. ये उस तरह के मैसेज है, यू आर सो स्वीट. मिलना भी कुछ नहीं, टाइम वेस्ट हो जाना है। 8 मिनट लगा के अगर क्वेश्चन भी सोल्व कर लिया ना, दैट इज मोर हार्मफुल। See here, 3 minutes, 3.5 minutes, maximum 4 minutes. Never ever give more than 4 minutes for this type of questions, because you will never realize that you have wasted your 10 minutes or 12 minutes, which is more harmful in examination. Okay. So here, first two method, heat and trial and triangular pattern. It's up to you. First, you want to try triangular pattern? Yes, you can try. Triangular pattern में बस एक problem है. I tell you. If you do calculation mistake, ठीक है, अगर आपने 37 instead of 37, if you have written 35 here, no one will help you here. So make sure if you are using triangular pattern, your calculation is correct. It will help in nearly 50 to 60% of the question. अच्छा, some student they ask me, sir, बड़ा झमेला सा लग रहा है, heat and trial, triangular pattern. Can we skip this topic? My experience is nearly 90% question from this topic are manageable and laddu version. Then you will feel कि यार कर ही लेता मैं. हाँ, nearly 10% questions might be time consuming. So it's your decision. I recommend you don't skip the topic. At least read the question. Maybe you get a question which you already practice. What we will do in our class with our homework, we will have nearly 100 to 120 pattern in our mind. If you get similar pattern is asked in the exam, we will try. Otherwise, you give a try of 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes, 3 minutes. If you are not able to solve, skip. Immediately skip the question. बट तुरंत मत छोड़ो, क्योंकि सीधे सीधे बोनस मार्क भी है 2.5. लेट अस ट्राई वन मोर क्वेश्चन. 6, 25, 62, 123, 214 क्वेश्चन मार्क. Okay, same here. Two method. Method number one, you see this series as 8 minus 2, 27 minus 2, 64 minus 2, 125 minus 2, 216 minus 2. Okay, you remember Q value. Then you can see nearby value. पहले घर का पता चलेगा, फिर गली याद रहती है ना. तो वो है, ये गली वाले क्वेश्चन, आसपास के क्वेश्चन है. इट इज नियर टू n क्यूब, n क्यूब प्लस 1, n क्यूब माइनस 1, n क्यूब प्लस 2, n क्यूब माइनस 2. तो ये क्या हो गया? 2 क्यूब माइनस 2, 3 क्यूब माइनस 2, 4 क्यूब माइनस 2, 5 क्यूब माइनस 2, 6 क्यूब माइनस 2, 7 क्यूब माइनस 2. It is 343 minus 2, 341. One method. Second method, triangular pattern. We will see the level 1 difference. What is the difference here? 19, 37, 61, 91. So next level difference here, you have 18, 24, 30. Next level difference 6, 6. It is also 6, 36. 91 plus 36, 127. So 214 plus 127, 400. 341. So 341 is your answer. Or 7 cube minus 2 is the answer. Okay. Now, I discussed two concepts now related to this number series. One concept here is, in a given question, if we have to try addition or multiplication. Okay. Series give you indication. Series ना आपको indication देती है whether there is addition in the series or multiplication in the series. Like for example, what you want in your salary, addition every year or multiplication? हर साल 1 से multiply कर दिया. Whenever you ask God, be specific. क्योंकि भगवान नेगेटिव से भी मल्टीप्लाई कर सकता है. ठीक है, थोड़ा स्पेसिफिक होना. यू आर यूपीएससी स्टूडेंट, तो डिस्क्रिप्शन दे देना कि भगवान मल्टीप्लाई करना है विद नेचुरल नंबर एंड ग्रेटर देन 1. ठीक है, और नेचुरल नंबर 1 से बड़ा होना चाहिए. क्योंकि अगर योर सैलरी इज 4 लाख, देयर इज अ मल्टीप्लाई विद 1 एवरी टाइम. 4 लाख, 4 लाख, 4 लाख, 4. I tell you what is the concept behind this. Like for example, your initial package is 4 lakh and every year you have increment of 3 lakh in your salary. That is good. Next year 7 lakh, then 10 lakh, then 13 lakh, then 16, then 19, then 22. Every year you have increment of 3 lakh. It is really good. But in my case, like first year 4 lakh, then next year 12 lakh, then 36 lakh, then 1 crore 8 lakh, then 3 crore 24 lakh. In 20 year I will be Ambani. ठीक है, मैं अपने बच्चों की शादी पे मार्च से लोगों को बुलाऊंगा. कुछ स्पेशल खिलाएंगे फिर इनको. एटॉमिक टेबल के एलिमेंट ही खिला देंगे हम. तो आइडिया हियर इज, इफ देयर इज ए एडिशन इन द सीरीज, the difference ऐसा होगा, रेंग रहा होगा, like there is a small change in the value. But if there is a multiplication, value भागेगी आपकी. Today I have discussed two questions, in one addition, in one multiplication I have used. जैसे addition वाला question था 6, 7, 10, 16, 26, 41. एक multiplication वाला question था, you are able to recall 2, 3, 8, 27, 112, where we got answer 565. What you do, you check the difference of the given series. Difference क्या आ रहा है? 1, 3, 6. If your change in the difference is very slow, make sure there is a addition is used. If the change in the difference like 1, 5, 19, 85, 1 के बाद 5, 19, 85. So if that pace is fast, the change is fast, so it is multiplication for sure. उस सीरीज में मल्टीप्लीकेशन या पावर और ज्यादा फास्ट होगा, तो पावर चल रही है उसमें. 2 is to power 1, 2 is to power 2, 2 is to power 3, 2 is to power 4, या 3 is to power 1, 3 is to power 2, 3 is to power 3, 3 is to power 4, 3 is to power 5, 3 is to power 6. So it's like multiplication is used. If your change is slow change, अगर वो change जो है वो slow है, it means addition or subtraction. The change is fast, जो change हो रहा है series में, that is fast, it means there is a multiplication in the series. So when you read your series, you get a idea, rough idea. I'm not saying confirm idea, but decent enough. You get a rough idea if you have to use addition or multiplication. जो change है ना, वो आपको एक idea देता है. Because when we multiply in our series, value changes fast. When we add in our series, value changes very slowly. Value धीरे धीरे बढ़ती है फिर. Now next is, there is one more concept. There are two type of behavior in a series we have. One is normal behavior, second type is abnormal behavior. Sometimes in our given series we have abnormal behavior. I will discuss two examples with you of abnormal behavior. Abnormal behavior, like question is, just note down 6, 18, 11, 16, 16, 14 question. Why I'm saying abnormal behavior? Well, sometimes you see there is an increase in the series, then decrease, then increase, then constant, then decrease. मतलब सीरीज लाइक पगला गई है, कभी बढ़ रही है कभी घट रही है. See here, when you find a question in a series, sometimes there is an increase, sometimes there is a decrease. One reason for this is there is not one series, there are two series in the question, alternate series. If there is a abnormal behavior in the given series, abnormal behavior in the sense, sometime you find value increasing, there is a decrease in the value, कभी value बढ़ रही है कभी घट रही है. तो one reason is alternate series. So how come 6, 11, 16? So it is plus 5, plus 5, 16 plus 5, 21. And you can see this alternate series. Other one is 18, 16, 14. So it is minus 2, minus 2, 14, minus 2. Your answer is, next term will be 12. So I repeat, you read your series, you find there is abnormal behavior in the series, in the sense sometimes there is an increase, sometimes there is a decrease. One reason for abnormal behavior is there are two series rather than one series. एक series के बजाय उसमें दो series मिल सकती है. There is one more reason which has been asked in 2022. I will discuss two questions of 2022 now. जिसमें एबनॉर्मल, एक में तो एबनॉर्मल बिहेवियर था. सो यू कैन राइट द क्वेश्चन. ट्वेंटी, 10, 10, 15, 30, 75 x. Find the value of x. Answer options given: 105, 120, 150, 225. ठीक है, यू ट्राई दिस. तब तक मैं ये PYQ ना आपके टेलीग्राम पे डाल ही देता हूँ. यू कैन ट्राई विद आंसर की. 9 क्वेश्चन है. 2024 वाला तो मैं अभी डिस्कस ही कर लूंगा आज. What is your answer? 225. Here also in series you find there is a decrease, then constant, then there is an increase. So it is also not a normal behavior. ये भी abnormal behavior है, but starting में abnormal है, then it is a normal behavior. Starting में there is a decrease, then constant, then increase, 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 increase. The reason for this is there may be a multiplication with less than 1. किसी भी वैल्यू को आप 1 से छोटी वैल्यू से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई एनी वैल्यू विद ए वैल्यू विच इज लेसर देन 1, इट डिक्रीज. तो इसमें क्या पैटर्न यूज किया है एक्चुअली? फर्स्ट इट इज मल्टीप्लाई विद हाफ. तो 20 मल्टीप्लाई विद हाफ बिकम 10. Then it is multiply with 1. 10 into 1, 10. Then it is multiply with 1.5. It become 15. Then it is multiply with 2. 15 2s are 30. Then it is multiply with 2.5. So 30 into 2.5 is 75. Then it is multiply with 3. What is 75 into 3 is 225 is your answer. Okay. Fine. Now one more question asked in 2022. Now question here is 2, 12, 36, 80, 150 x. What will come at place of x? Answer options given: 248, 252, 258, 262. Two 50. Fine. I give you two methods for this question. Correct answer is 252. See, first method, this series is nothing. This is n cube plus n square. Examiner has not asked n cube plus n square. Can we see this series as 1 plus 1, 8 plus 4, 27 plus 9, 64 plus 16, 125 plus 25. It's like 1 cube plus 1 square, 2 cube plus 2 square, 3 cube plus 3 square, 4 cube plus 4 square, 5 cube plus 5 square. The answer will be 6 cube plus 6 square, 216 plus 36. The correct answer is 250. N cube plus n square. One method. I told you if it is n square series, n cube series, or any of the format of n square, n cube, difference will always help. So here second method for this given question is triangular pattern or difference. वो difference triangular pattern ही तो है. First level difference. So it is 10, 24, 44, 70. Then level 2 difference 14, 20, 26. 6, 6. Here also 6. 14 plus 6, 20. 20 plus 6, 26. 26 plus 6, 32. So here 70 plus 32, 102. Your answer is 150 plus 102, 250. Okay. Now here, I ask you question asked in 2024. Then we will give you a test. And we are giving the same test we have conducted last year also. फिर उसमें चेक करना ये क्वेश्चन दिख रहा है कि नहीं दिख रहा उसमें. In 2024 they asked this question. आपको दिखेगा, पिछले साल वालों को नहीं दिखा क्योंकि उन्होंने रिवाइज ही नहीं किया था. What will come in place of star in the sequence 3, 14, 39, 84, star 258? Answer options given: 150, 155, 160, 176. Try this question. 2024 का क्वेश्चन है. What is your answer? I give you two methods for the same question. In 2024 what they asked? n cube, या ऐसा लिख सकते हो n plus n square plus n cube, क्योंकि लास्ट ईयर वो n ऐड करना भूल गए थे तो 2024 में कर लिया. क्या है क्वेश्चन? 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is 2 plus 4 plus 8. 3 plus 9 plus 27. 4 plus 16 plus 64. Next होगा 5 plus 25 plus 125. This is 6 plus 36 plus 216. चेक कर लेना. तो it's like 1 plus 1 square plus 1 cube, 2 2 square plus 2 cube, 3 3 square plus 3 cube, 4 4 square plus 4 cube, 5 5 square plus 5 cube. So your answer is 155. So in 2024, they have asked pattern n plus n square plus n cube. But I already told you, if it is n square series, n cube series, n, difference will always help you. So alternate method for this question is triangular pattern. Triangular pattern here, what is the difference here? 11, 25, 45. वो तो आएगा ना अभी. 14, 20, 26 या 26 भी रुको. 6, 6. तो it is 26, 45 plus 26, 71. 84 plus 71, 155. Okay. हाँ जी. क्या लगा सकते हैं? देखो ट्रायंगल लगभग 50 से 60% क्वेश्चन में काम कर रहा है, स्क्वायर वाली सीरीज में काम कर जाता है, क्यूब वाली सीरीज में कर जाता है, बाकी इसका मन करे तो लग जाता है, नहीं तो नहीं लगता। अब एबनॉर्मल वाले में आई डोंट नो, तो नहीं कर रहा। मतलब ट्रायंगुलर पैटर्न इज नॉट द ओनली सॉल्यूशन। 100 टेस्ट पेपर देना है, 100% क्वेश्चन में नहीं काम करेगा, पहले ही बता चुका हूं। 60% क्वेश्चन में काम कर जाता है, बाकी क्वेश्चन में नहीं भी करता। जनरली लाइक आई ऑब्जर्व वन थिंग, जो कॉम्बिनेशन वाले क्वेश्चंस है ना, देयर लाइक इट इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल। आई ट्राइड दैट इन 4-5 क्वेश्चन, combination, multiplication and addition, multiplication and subtraction. So what you can do, first you try triangular pattern. If you are not able to solve, then try combination, then try any other hit and trial. अगर आंसर आए ठीक है, बट सिंपल रूल है 3 मिनट, 3.5, मैक्सिमम 4 मिनट. डोंट गिव टाइम बियॉन्ड 4 मिनट फॉर दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. Okay. Now we will have test on this number series. When I have taken cutting of cube, there you got a test where we have solved question on cutting of cube वाला तो ठीक है, but there were 3 question, question number 2, 3, 4 I will discuss today. उसमें थे problem based on dice के कुछ question थे, I will show you. Last class you got this handout, this question, question number 2, question number 3, on the back side question number 4. I think you have tried. जिस जिसने ट्राई किया होगा तो आई विल डिस्कस दिस क्वेश्चन टुडे प्लस दिस टेस्ट. आज वाला टेस्ट पहले कर लो. Today's test there are 5 questions. Online students, I think we have uploaded the test on the portal. Okay, done. Okay, I give the answer. I give the answer of this 5 question and answer of the last class test जो ये था problem based on dice, cube and dice वाला. Then I will take doubt of this test, today's test first. After that I take doubt of that test. ठीक है. So today's class test, question number 1, answer is C, 294. Question number 2, answer A, 22.5. Question number 3, answer B, 98. Question number 4 we already discussed. ठीक है. बस हमने क्या किया था, हमने 155 दिया है, उन्होंने 155 पूछ लिया. 258 is the answer. Question number 4. Question number 5, B, 411. Okay, so I repeat, question number 1 answer C, question number 2 answer A, question number 3 answer B, question number 4 answer B, question number 5 answer B, Bombay. Last class test where cut 2 pieces we already discussed. I have given the answers. Here question number 2, 3, 4. Question number 2 answer is 2 only, B. Question number 3 answer is 1 only. Question number 4 answer is A, 1 and 2 only. I repeat, last class test where we have given you handout, class के बाद handout मिला था, याद आ रहा है? ये वाले क्वेश्चन तो we have already discussed. ठीक है. Now this question, question number 2 answer B, 2 only. Question number 3 answer A, 1 only. Question number 4 answer A, 2 का B, 3A, 4A. Now if you don't have any doubt, you can leave the class. Those who are having doubt, you can wait. I already told you, first I take doubt of today's test, then I take doubt of the last class test. जो कल जो टेस्ट किया था उसका डाउट मैं सैटरडे को लूंगा. डोंट वेट फॉर दैट. वी हैव गिवन यू एक्स्ट्रा टेस्ट ऑफ 40 क्वेश्चन. इफ यू हैव डाउट इन द टेस्ट, आई विल टेक ऑन सैटरडे. उसके डाउट मैं सैटरडे को लूंगा, आज नहीं लूंगा. नाउ हियर एनी डाउट? क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, 2 and 5. Question number 2, 3, 3, 4.59 question mark. So it is multiply with 1. It is multiply with 1.5. It is multiply with 2. So sequence important है. Multiply with 1, 1.5, 2. So it will be multiply with 2.5. So 9 multiply with 2.5. It is 22.5. So our answer is A. पहले आपने क्या किया, 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, फिर 1.5 से, फिर 2 से, फिर 2.5 से. Question number 5. Question number 5 here is, it is 1, 5, 19, 81 question mark. It is on combination. अगर ट्रायंगुलर पैटर्न नहीं लग रहा ना, कॉम्बिनेशन ट्राई कर लेना. दैट इज माय सजेशन. सो इट इज 1 into 2 plus 3, 5, 5 into 3 plus 4, 19, 19 into 4 plus 5, 81. So it is 81 into 5 plus 6. 405 plus 6 is 411. Into 2 plus 3, into 3 plus 4, into 4 plus 5, into 5 plus 6. Done. Question number 1. Question number 1 here is 4, 18, 48, 100, 180. Maybe you use any other pattern. I tell you what pattern I have used. ऐसा कुछ नहीं एक ही सॉल्यूशन होगा. There can be multiple solution. 3 also है ना. Thankfully you have not asked 4. Online student 1 and 3. ठीक है. It is 2 into 2 into 1. This is 3 into 3 into 2. पहली टर्म क्या है 2 into 2 into 1 4. This is 3 into 3 into 2 give you 18. 4 into 4 into 3 give you 48. 5 into 5 into 4 give you 100. 6 into 6 into 5 give you 180. So a required answer will be 7 into 7 into 6. So here it is 49 into 6 294. What pattern I have used? N multiply with n multiply with n minus 1. 2 into 2 into 1, 3 into 3 into 2, 4 into 4 into 3, 5 into 5 into 4, 6 into 6 into 5, 7 into 7 into 6. या इसमें आपने ट्रायंगुलर पैटर्न ऑल्सो. अल्टरनेट मेथड वी ट्राई ट्रायंगुलर पैटर्न 14, 30, 52, 80, 16, 22, 28, 6, 6, 6, 34, 114, 180 plus 114, 290. So triangular pattern is also applicable. You can try triangular pattern. Your answer is coming 294. Or it is n into n into n minus 1 also you can crack this series. Question number 3. Online student question number 3. 5, 8, 14, 26, 50 question mark. So it is plus 3, plus 6, plus 12, plus 24. Your difference is double. 3, 6, 12, 24. It is 48. So 50 plus 48, 98 is your answer. Okay, now I take doubt of last class test. Last class test. I discuss all the 3 questions. क्योंकि वैसे भी आपने सारे ही पूछ लेने हैं. I discuss 2, 4 and 3. क्योंकि 2 और 4 easy है, 3 is bit complicated. This is A, F, E, B, C, D. Choose the box that is similar to the box formed from the given sheet of paper. We have to check 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you observe one thing? Here in this question, B and F opposite to each other. E and C opposite to each other. A and D opposite to each other. Check the first. What is the problem? इसमें problem क्या लिख लेता हूँ मैं भूल जाता हूँ. B and F opposite to each other. E and C opposite to each other. A and D opposite to each other. Here B and F given adjacent. B and F given adjacent. ये B और ये F है. So it is wrong. ये B और F wrong है. In the third one, E and C. E and C has to be opposite. They have given E and C adjacent. That's why it is wrong. And A and D opposite. They have given A and D adjacent wrong. Eliminate wrong answer. तो बचा सिर्फ. We have discussed this pattern. I told you in a column or in a row, alternate faces are always opposite. So can we say here B and F opposite, E and C opposite, A and D opposite? If B and F opposite, so B and F cannot be adjacent. Here B and F adjacent. So first figure is not possible. Third figure में E and C adjacent wrong क्योंकि E and C has to be opposite. Fourth figure, they have given A and D adjacent, but according to this figure, when you fold it, A and D has to be opposite. So only the correct figure is figure number 2. 2 दिन में भूल गए होंगे ना सारा कंसेप्ट, ठीक है ना? डन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. 3 I will take later. पहले 2, 4. If I prove 3 is wrong, 3 is wrong, 3 is wrong, 3 is wrong, then I get answer. देखो, अच्छा, मे बी प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक हो सकती है आप लोगों को. सही तो है ये? सही है. See here in the third figure, this face, it is shown circle. Inside that circle, it is a dot. But if you see this figure, this is circle, this is dot. If you fold it, what you will get? On one face circle, opposite to that, this will be dot. एक तरफ सर्कल आएगा, उसके अपोजिट डॉट आएगी. दिस सर्कल फेस एंड डॉट फेस विल बी अपोजिट टू ईच अदर, क्योंकि ये अल्टरनेट है. पहला फेस ये, तीसरा फेस ये. ओके, तो हियर हाउ कम इट विल बी कंबाइंड? सर्कल अगर ये है तो डॉट बैक साइड होगा. सो दे हैव गिवन सर्कल एंड डॉट विच हैज टू बी अपोजिट टू ईच अदर. वो एक दूसरे के साथ घूम रहे हैं. So that is wrong. So sometimes we have to eliminate wrong answer. बाकी तो देखना ही नहीं ना. 3 गलत है, 3 गलत है, 3 गलत है, 3 गलत है, फिर आंसर आ गया. Now here this one third, okay, can we say this and this has to be opposite? This is our concept. In a column 4 faces, one on left side, remaining one on right side. Left side face is always opposite to right side face. Can we say 2 is wrong? 3 is wrong? 2, 3 तो I can easily eliminate. So then there is a confusion about 1 and 4. And that is really a confusion about 1 and 4. See, this is not that easy question कि direct answer आएगा. Here you have to be good in visualization time. ठीक है, 2 और 3 तो wrong है. Why? Because this half shaded has to be opposite to each other. It cannot be adjacent. Now here, only the thing is, out of 1 and 4, we have to find which is wrong. इस तरह के क्वेश्चन में wrong को निकालने की कोशिश करो rather than correct. We have to identify which is wrong. देखो, ध्यान से देखना. If you see this vertex, ठीक है, if you see this vertex as a reference, इस vertex को reference लेने से what we come to know, this square, this and this will be adjacent. It means square and this will be adjacent. So that is okay. Here also adjacent, here also adjacent. But my point of reference is, here this is the box. If I take this common vertex, this half shaded will be away from the vertex. It is away from the vertex. If I say this vertex, कोई सा भी vertex ले लो इन दोनों में से, this shaded portion is just adjacent to the vertex. ये ऐसा होता अगर, what is my point here? This is square. If this half shaded here is, then I can consider it. क्योंकि अगर ये vertex को reference लोगे, one side you have square, other side you have half shaded portion, but half shaded portion has to be away from the vertex. वो vertex के साथ नहीं होगा, वो दूसरी तरफ होगा. सी हियर, अब या तो इसको फोल्ड करना पड़ेगा आपको, टू और थ्री रॉन्ग है, ये तो समझ में आ गया ना, सिर्फ 1 और 4 में कंफ्यूजन है। हाँ हाँ रुक जाओ, कल कल सुबह 4:30 मिला एग्जैक्ट फिर। हाँ ठीक है, ठीक है, गुड ब्लेस। मैं कैसे बताऊं? Now here this is one phase, this is the second phase. You take this vertex as a reference. This shaded portion is near to vertex or other away from vertex? Away, away. वर्टेक्स के साथ तो नहीं है ना, वर्टेक्स से दूर है ना। तो यहाँ पे अगर ये वर्टेक्स ले रहे हो और मे बी दिस वर्टेक्स, दिस शेडेड पोर्शन इज दिस साइड, ये शेडेड पोर्शन दूसरी तरफ होना चाहिए। दिस पार्ट शुड बी शेडेड एंड दिस शुड बी ब्लैक, तब तो ये ठीक होता। सो हियर दिस इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग, सो आवर आंसर इज 1। मतलब थोड़ा सा माइन्यूट ऑब्जर्वेशन है। ओके, what you have to do, you have to observe कि कौन सा पार्ट शेडेड होगा, whether this half portion is shaded or other half. In this question the other half should be shaded. यहाँ पे आपका स्क्वायर हो गया, so if this half is shaded then there is no problem, क्योंकि इसके साथ जो adjacent है वो blank होना चाहिए। This part should be blank, but यहाँ पे ये वाला part shaded दिया, that's why it is wrong. ये थोड़ा सा 1 और 4 में ना कॉम्प्लिकेशन है। लेकिन 1 और 4 में से कौन सा करेक्ट है उसमें से आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर पाएंगे। हाँ जी, हाँ उसमें क्या डाउट है? इंटू 2 + 3, 1 × 2 2 + 3 5, 1 से 5। किसी भी सीरीज में हमें बैक नहीं चलना है। आप ये चाह रहे हो कि 1 से पहले क्या आना चाहिए? आ तो सकता है, मैं बता सकता हूँ, ठीक है। क्या होना चाहिए? +2 होना चाहिए ना। +2 क्या होगा? -1 -1। बट हमें क्यों जाना है उसमें? 1 से पहले का हमें कोई लेना देना नहीं, जो क्वेश्चन है बस उसी पे ध्यान देना है।
ये जो फिगर है वो समझ में,
इसमें क्या कह रहा है कि सर्कल के अंदर डॉट दिया है, जबकि सर्कल और डॉट दो अलग फेस पे होनी चाहिए थी, तो इसलिए थर्ड फिगर रॉन्ग है। तो थर्ड रॉन्ग है तभी हमारा आंसर 1 है, फर्स्ट 1 और 2 है, क्योंकि बाकी सब में तो 3 3 3 एलिमिनेट हो गया ना। थर्ड फिगर ही रॉन्ग है। सर टुडेस टेस्ट 2 and 5 प्लीज, आई लेफ्ट द क्लास, सॉरी। वेट, 4 तो हो गया ना गुड्डू? दिस इज सेम क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड इन 2024।
सर ये 19 इसलिए रॉन्ग है ना, ये फिगर है ही नहीं इस वाले में।
हाँ ये है ही नहीं ना, इस तरह की कोई फिगर ही नहीं है, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज रॉन्ग।
तो मुझे लगा प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक।
नहीं 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 नहीं, नो। Question number 4 is the same question. Just see the pattern. Online student use triangular pattern. ठीक है, लिख लो आप 3, 14, 39, 84, 155 question mark. Take the difference. What is the difference of 3, 14, 11? What is the difference here? 25. What is the difference here? 45. What is the difference here? 71. Then further difference 14, 20, 26, 6. तो फिर ये 32 हो जाएगा. Then it is 103. You add 103, you get triangular pattern.
पॉइंट वाले उसमें ट्रायंगल में थोड़ा सा इशू होता तो उसमें ये क्या कहा जा सकता है कि जैसे ये थोड़ा डिफरेंस ज़्यादा है शायद बिहेवियर वाला है वो अनयूजुअल बिहेवियर वाला है जैसे सर आपने क्वेश्चन दिया था ये वाला इसमें सर अगर जैसे ज़्यादा का डिफरेंस नहीं है तो उसमें डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाई कह सकते हैं कि मोस्टली मल्टीप्लाई लगेगा.
हाँ हो सकता है. अगर मतलब नेचुरल वैल्यू होते होते फिर डेसिमल आ जाए बीच में, हो सकता है मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ट्राई कर सकते हैं.
सर अभी तो जैसे थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो रहा था कि इसमें क्या है तो सर इसमें प्रैक्टिस करने से होगा.
फिर अरे बोलना भूल गया. सर टेलीग्राम पे बोल दूंगा आपको 50 क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करने हैं, या RSOGL से कर लो या indiabix.com से, लेकिन डिफरेंट पैटर्न के. अभी मैं बोल देता हूँ टेलीग्राम पे. just give me 2 minutes. I will check. Question number 115. 5 का तो सीधा है. This is your question number 5. Online student, take the screenshot. 1 give you 5, 5 give you 19, 19 give you 81. So it is into 2 plus 3, 5 into 3 plus 4, 19 into 4 plus 5 combination. Question number 2 is 3, 3, 4.59 question mark into 1 into 1.5 into 2 into 2.5. So your answer is 9 into 2.5, which is 22.5. पहली टर्म 1 से मल्टीप्लाई है, फिर 1.5, फिर 2, फिर 2.5. So Krunal, Rohit, today you can give, it is still there on portal. Okay, test is there till tomorrow 12 noon. It is already available on the portal. Online student, if you have missed the test, you can give again. Type 3. This is type 3 only. This is type 3 only. Okay, fine. Type 1 is missing. This is type 1. This is type 1, type 2, type 3. Yes, you have to fill that Google form. You have to fill that Google form for your mentorship program. Prime number composite twin prime co-prime. It is on Telegram. Tomorrow we will mail you. You will get on mail also, but it is on Telegram. It's good, but you continue, na? Okay, 25 marks. Okay, fine, no issue, Ravi. I will take doubt session of the test on Saturday. Okay, no problem. Okay, student, thank you very much. See you tomorrow. Sir, left 20 question without even seeing. कोई ना कौन सा कुंभ का मिला है. Okay. You want to reattempt the test. Okay. Okay, no issue. ठीक है. ठीक है जी. Okay, student. Thank you very much. Okay, Ravi. Okay. ठीक है. Thank you. कर दो hand.